Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Melissa and in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this cute little Easter egg. If you're interested, then stick around. For your materials you will need a white color of yarn, a green scrap yarn, yellow scrap yarn, a hot pink scrap yarn, and a purple scrap yarn. A crochet hook 3mm, then a stitch marker, a tapestry needle, a scissors, and some cotton stuffing. Now using your white color of yarn, let's make a loop. And this is how I like to make a loop. Very easy. Now we'll be chaining 2. 1 and 2. Use your stitch marker. This will be the first stitch for the next round. So in the second stitch of this chain, we'll be inserting 4 single crochets. In the same loop, a second single crochet. This is how we do single crochets. Now tighten this piece of yarn and make a knot to avoid our piece creating a hole at the center. Before we continue, change the position of your stitch marker to that loop on the hook into our first stitch of the previous round. Make sure you pick those 2 loops. Insert a single crochet followed by a second single crochet into the same stitch. For this round, we are inserting 2 single crochets in each and every stitch around. So repeat these all the way around and your total number of stitches should go up to 8. Now for the third round, we are inserting 1 single crochet into the first stitch of the previous round. Into the second stitch, insert a single crochet followed by a second single crochet into the same stitch. Repeat this all the way around and your number of stitches should increase and add up to 12. Next is the fourth round. Change the position of your stitch marker, and in this round we are inserting a single crochet into the first stitch, a single crochet into the second stitch, and all the way around. The total number of stitches remains 12. Now we are into our 5th round. In this round, we're making a single crochet into the first stitch of the previous round, a single crochet into the second stitch like so, and into our third stitch we do an increase by inserting first and the second single crochet into the same stitch. This is a repetition for this round. At the end of this round, your total number of stitches should go up to 16. Now the 6th round, we are inserting a single crochet into the first stitch, a single crochet into the second stitch. The third stitch is also a single crochet, and into our 4th stitch we're inserting a single crochet and a second single crochet into the same stitch. So repeat this. Change the position of your stitch marker, and for this round we are inserting a single crochet all the way around, and repeat this for the 8th round also. Your number of stitches should remain 20 for both rounds. This is how our piece looks like so far. We continue with the 9th round. Insert a single crochet into the first stage, a single crochet into the next stage, single crochet into the 3rd stage, a single crochet into the 4th stage. Into our 5th stage, we do an increase by inserting 2 single crochets into the same stage. Repeat this all the way around. Round 10, we are still increasing. Insert a single crochet into the 1st stage, a single crochet into the 2nd stage. The 3rd stage is also a single crochet. The 4th stage is a single crochet. The 5th stage, only 1 single crochet. And the 6th stage, we do our increase. So repeat this, and your number of stitches should go up to 28. Eleventh round is simple. We're just inserting a single crochet all the way around. And for the 12th round, we repeat the same thing. For both rounds, the number of stitches remains 28. Next, we are crocheting 13th round. Change the position of your stitch marker. And for this round, we're single crocheting into the 1st stage. 2nd stage is also a single crochet. 3rd stage, a single crochet. 4th stage, you also insert a single crochet. The 5th stage, we do a single crochet. And now we do a decrease by single crocheting the 6th stage and the 7th stage together. So on your hook, you should have 3 loops. Then you pull the yarn through all the 3 loops. So it's a decrease round. Repeat this all the way around, and your total number of stitches should go down to 24. Fourteenth round, we're inserting only 1 single crochet in each stage around. Total number of stitches remains 24. Fifteenth round is another decrease round. Insert a single crochet into the 1st stage, the 2nd stage, the 3rd stage. The 4th stage is also a single crochet. Then the 5th and the 6th stage, we single crochet them together. And that's how you do a decrease. Repeat this all the way. 16th round, it's only 1 single crochet in every round. Total number of stitches, 20. Seventeenth round, we do again a decrease. This time round, we are single crocheting 2 stitches together. First stage and the 2nd stage together. So each 2 stitches together, and the number of stitches should go down to 10. So repeat this all the way. So now we are done crocheting. Insert your stitch marker into that loop which was on the hook just to secure it, and make sure you stuff your piece very, very tightly. This helps brings out the foam. Now cast off and cut the rest of the yarn out. Leave a small piece for closing this opening. Next, I'll be showing you how I embroider the stem and the leaves. It's very easy, just watch carefully how I'm doing it and you'll be fine. So use your green scrap yarn for the stem and the leaves. We are embroidering 6 of the stems with the 2 leaves, and 2 are longer and the other 2 are shorter. Not so much, just a little bit. We embroider these other stem in between those 2 that we've created. If you can see, this one is shorter compared to the first 2 that we've already embroidered. The other side, we also embroider a shorter one, just the same one. So this one is also shorter compared to the other 2. Next, we will be embroidering these beautiful flowers. I've already embroidered 3 of them, the yellow color, the purple, and the pink one. And now we are doing another yellow one. Just watch carefully how I do and take your time. It's very easy. Just be patient. So it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love what you've created.